Okay, here we are with the puppies running around the place. Puppies having free reign. I don't usually give them free reign like this, but thought I would just give them a chance to romp and play. We had a hurricane watch, so we had the waters to flush the toilets with in the held up in the rain barrel. And if you don't dump it out in Florida, rain barrel water turns into mosquito water. So I just ended up, come on guys, let's go, come on. It's lucky we have 2 acres here, so we got room to romp around on. Yes, we have a busy road right next to us, but it's fenced, and so I got a chance to let them out like this. I kind of enjoy it, and they're by and large they pretty well minded. Come on, guys, come on. What are we missing? There, everybody's here. Everybody's present and accounted for. Come on, let's keep romping. They love that bush. I don't know why. They just get under it and they hide in the. Well, there's 4 of them, I think. Where's the other 2? There the other 2 are. They went into the house. Yeah, of course. You know that place. Anyway, thought you'd like to see the puppies romping on the place and enjoying climbing down under the pool, into the kiddie pools, and anyway, thought you'd like it. Bye.